Hello again guys. In today's tutorial, I'm gonna show you how to find a song with your Snapchat. So if there is a song nearby you and you like it but you don't know the name of the song, you can use Snapchat to quickly find it. First, let's quickly check if your Snapchat is updated. Open App Store or Google Play Store and find Snapchat. If there is a button update, click on it and wait a couple of seconds till Snapchat installs the latest features. Now head over to Snapchat. To test it out, play some song and tap and hold on the screen here. Wait a couple of seconds till Snapchat finds your song. Now at the bottom, you can see a pop-up window with some information. At the top, you can see the song and the artist. You have the option to open it in Apple Music. This is quickly and a very easy way to find a song that you like. Enjoy! That will be it for this video. Follow us for more tutorials like this.